March 5th. And now your local on the 8s.
A wind advisory is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 69 degrees under cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, mostly cloudy skies, warm, high 81, winds south-southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. For tonight, cloudy, low 67, winds south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. On Monday, windy with lots of sunshine, high 78, winds northwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Monday night, clear skies, low 48. Our 7-day outlook.
Winter Storm Rocky taking aim at the central U.S. with a double-barreled shot of snow and storms. Many of these places still